Hello there. Let's dive into how to fetch an OTA booking using the Booking Genie Channel Manager. If a reservation made through an OTA isn't showing up on the Booking Genie extranet, don't worry. We've provided an option for hoteliers to effortlessly fetch the booking. Once you've logged into the Booking Genie Channel Manager, head to the Booking section. From there, click on the Fetch button located in the top right corner. In the pop-up tab, select the OTA for which you want the booking to be fetched, along with the booking date and booking ID. Then, simply click on Fetch. Congratulations! You've successfully fetched the booking into the Channel Manager. Thank you. Please check out other videos in our series. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out Booking Genie support.